I guess I would say like trying different things. And you can definitely like that first semester is definitely like there's no problem with using that as like an exploratory one. Like definitely like if you want to try like studying on your own, that's fine. But if you find that's not working for you, you can definitely like reach out to your professors through office hours. Like those are like solely for you, like they're taking time like to just be there for you for help. And definitely like forming study groups with people in your class, or even just talking to people like walking into office hours and you can just ask someone there. So definitely like utilizing like the resources that are available to you on campus.